Hello guys, welcome to our channel DentaCam. Today I will demonstrate you IV eyelets wiring. For IV eyelets wiring, we need 26 gauge wires. Take a straight piece of wire. Wire is held at its center on plier. A loop is made by twisting the wire. 1, 2 and 3. Now our loop is formed. I already made 6 to 8 such loops. Now that pre-formed loop is inserted interdentally from the buccal side. One end of the wire is passed back to the buccal side from the posterior interdental area. And other wire is taken interiorly. Now, posterior wire is passed through the loop and taken interiorly. Now, both ends are held together. The wire are twisted until the loop is secure. Twisted end of the wire is cut at 5 mm from the tooth. See, it's sharp. So, we will bend it toward interdental space. Kept it away from the gingiva. We will do the same wiring on the other sides. Wire should be well adapted on the cervical margin. Completed on the maxilla. I also did the same on the mandible. Now we are going to do intermaxillary fixation, for which we need a short piece of wire. Wire is passed through both upper and lower loop. Both the ends are held together and twisted. This fixation wire should not be loose. Cut the extra piece of wire and bend the sharp end. Do the same on the other side. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.